Hello class, I hope you all are good and fine at your places. So class, we continue our unit first, changing trends and career in physical educations. Okay, so in this class video, I am telling you the competition in various sports and national and international levels. Okay, so there is some important sports games, sports and games are there. So first is athletic, second is basketball, third is badminton, fourth is cricket, football, hockey, tennis, volleyball, swimming. Okay, and the last topic is Khelo India programs. Okay, so first of all, I'm telling you all sports and games are very famous in the world. Okay, mostly we playing many types of games. We saw the many types of game, but these all games are very popular in the world. So that's why this games will be playing national, international level through federation, through organizations. Okay, so one by one, I'm telling you all the tournaments in all the games. Okay, class. So let's start the class. So, class, our first game is athletics. Okay. So basically, we know the what is the athletics game. Basically, there are the two type events we'll doing in athletics. One is the track event, then second is field events. Okay, so in field events also we know the events are hammer throw, discus throw, javelin throw, long jump, pole vault jump, and the high jump. These types of events. And in track events we also the 100 meter, 400 meter, 200 meter races. This is calling a track events. Okay. So now the point is, so in athletic there's a types of tournament will organize through federation or any governmental or authorized organization through. Okay, so there is a first tournament is in athletics. So first tournament is National Athletic Championships. Okay, so this championship is organized by Athletic Federation of India every year at different venue in India. Okay, so this championship is organized by Athletic Federation of India, and this tournament organizing every year, but different venue places. Okay, the second is World Athletics Championship. Okay, so World Champions Athletics Championship is also called a World Cup of Athletics. This championship organized by International Association of Athletic Federations. Okay, in short form we calling this IAAF, AAAFF. Okay, what is the calling the International Association of Athletic Federation? IAAF. Okay, then third number tournament is Interstate Athletic Championship. Okay, so this championship is organized by the Athletic Federation of India. The athletes from various state athletic association applied to Athletic Federation of India participate in these championships. Okay, so this is the interstate athletic championship. The next is Asian Games. Okay, so in Asian Games, all through many games are organized in Asian Game. Okay, but athletic is considered as the main competition. Okay, so these games are organized after every 4 years by any one country of Asia. The host country is decided by Asian Games Federation. Okay, so the first Asian Games were held in Delhi in 1951. Okay, so the first Asian Games will held in New Delhi in 1951. Okay, then number 5 event is Olympic Games. Okay, so basically we know what is the Olympic game, how important, what is the value of Olympic Games. This is a very popular event, the all games. Okay, but in Olympic athletic is a another places another level to showing the top level players they perform in Olympics. Okay, so the athletic competition are the main attraction of Olympic Games. Okay, so main attraction of the Olympic Games is athletic games. Okay, the International Olympic Committee decide the venue of next Olympic Games. So these games are organized after every 4 years. Only three times, 1916, 1914 and 1944. These games are not held due to world wars. Okay. Then sixth number tournament is National School Games. In National School Game, athletic competition is also considered as a main competition. These games are organized annually by the School Games Federation of India, and also these games are organized of schools going children of games various states and union territories of India. Okay, and the eighth number eighth number is Inter-University Athletic Championship. Okay, so in Inter-University Athletic Championship, this championship is also organized every year for the student of different universities of India. It is a national level competition of athletics. Okay, and the number 9 is Khelo India program. Okay, so in Khelo India program, there is also playing the children's high school levels, college levels. Player will be performing in Khelo India program, the athletics events or athletic games. Okay. Okay, so class, there is a many more games we are organizing through or many more tournaments was there in athletics. So far, next is European Cup, Chess Owen Trophy, Chairman Trophy, World Marathon Cup, Marshall Tito Trophy, Junior National Athletic Championship, Federation Cup, World Indoor Championship, World Indoor Championship, World Cross Country Championship, World Race Walking Cup, Continental Cup, and the last one is World Road Running Championship. Okay, this is also the part of these athletic competitions. Okay, class. So this is the all various sports or competition to national or international level in athletics. Okay, class. Okay, class. So our next game is basketball. Okay. So basically, we know what is the basketball game, how to play, what is the rule regulation, and which country will be most played in basketball. Okay, so basically in United States, the basketball was most famous game. Okay, so in basketball there is some sports will organize or will some sports competition will organize. So first is Olympic Games. So in Olympic game, the basketball game was included in 1936. Okay, so in Olympic game, the first time Olympic game will in Olympic game basketball introduced in 1936. Since then basketball championship is being held every summer Olympic. Okay, then second is Asian Games. Okay, so in Asian Games, the basketball championship is being held in Asian Games since 1951 as a part of this game. Okay, so in Asian Games in 1951, the first time will be played the basketball. Okay, so next is National Basketball Championship. So this is a national championship of basketball for men and women. The first national basketball championship was held in Bangalore in 1952. It was organized by Basketball Federation in India of India. Okay, which federation will organize this tournament is Basketball Federation of India. Okay, then last one is Prince Basalt Jha Trophy. Okay, it is a national championship of basketball for women. Okay, so basically this competition is for women. Okay, and there was also some various competition are there. So European Cup, America Cup, Asia Cup, and Service Trophy, Prince Basla Jha Trophy, National for Women's, BC Gupta Trophy, Federation Cup, Bangalore Blue Cup, C. Muniswamy Cup, All India Ramu Memorial Trophy, World Cup, Olympic Games, Junior National Basketball Championship, and also is Sub Junior National Basketball Champion, and William Jones Cup, and some SM Arjun Trophy. Okay, class. So this is the all the competition types of basketball. So class, our next game is badminton. Okay. So in badminton, these all types of competition are famous, and these all types of tournaments will organized through federation and the organizations. Okay, through organizations. Okay. So first competition is Thomas Cup. Okay. So Thomas Cup is the international men's championship. Okay. So Thomas Cup is international men's championship. This championship was started in 1948, and it also this champion held after every 3 years. Okay. The next is Uber Cup. So Uber Cup is the also international, but this competition will form women's. Okay, so Uber Cup is the international women championship. It was started in 1956. This championship is held after every 3 years. Okay. Then next is Asian Games. In Asian Games, badminton competition was started in 1962. Okay. The next is World Cup. Okay, so the World Cup tournament was started in 1981. It was started to provide an opportunity to earn more money to the top badminton player. Okay, so this is the World Cup. Next competition is All India Championship. All England Championship. Okay, so this championship was first held in 1899. It was the premium tournament of the world. Okay, so next is National Badminton Championship. Okay, it is the championship of India for men and women. Okay, so National Badminton Championship is competition organizing in India. Okay, and also this tournament for men's and women's. Okay, and this tournament will be started in 1962. Okay, so next is Interstate Badminton Championship. It is a national level championship in which the state associations of badmintons send their teams. Okay, so this is the all competition in badminton. Okay, class. So class, our next game is India's most favorite game is cricket. Okay, so in India the cricket was most popular game. Okay, so in cricket there is all types of competition organization through federation or any organization through. Okay, so first is Ashes Cup. Okay, so this cup is played between Australia and England. It is a test series. Okay, so this competition will be played between Australia and England, and it also the test series competition. Okay, so the next is World Cup. It is the one. It is a one-day international competition. It is held after every 4 years. So the first World Cup was organized from June 7, 1975 at Lord's Stadium, England. Okay, so the first match was played between India and England. It, in the beginning, the cup was named as a Prudential Cup, and later on this cup was named as a World Cup Cricket on Trophy. Okay, so the India will be won the World Cup is first time 1983. Okay, class. So next competition is Rohinton Barrier Trophy. This is a national level tournament. This trophy is awarded in inter-university cricket tournament, and it is held every year. Okay. So next trophy is Ranji Trophy. Okay, so Ranji Trophy was launched as a cricket championship of India at a meeting of board control of cricket in India in July 1934. The first Ranji Trophy fixture took a place in 1934 and 1935, with Bombay walking away with the top awards. Okay, so next is C.K. Naidu Trophy. Okay, so C.K. Naidu Trophy is awarded in the inter-state school cricket tournament. Okay, so this C.K. Naidu competition or competition for school level cricket tournaments. Okay, and next is Irani Trophy. Okay, so the Irani Trophy was conceived during the 1959 and 16 sessions to commemorate the 5th year of the Ranji Trophy Championship. The tournament was named after the late J.R. Irani, who was the associate with the Board of Control for Cricket in India since its inception in 1928. Okay, then next is Duleep Trophy. Okay, so the Devdhar Trophy and is also calling it Devdhar Trophy. Okay, so Devdhar Trophy was started in 1973 as a one-day equipment of Ranji tournament. It is a name after the grand old man of India cricket, late Professor Devdhar. It is a play between the 5 Indian cricket zones, the north, south, east, west, and also the center zone. Okay. The next is Challenge Trophy, or also calling a Challenger Trophy. The Challenger Trophy began in India 1994 and 95. In 1998 and 99, it was renamed as a NKP Self Challengers Trophy in honor of NKP slaves. The person who was instrumental is bringing the World Cup to the country in 1987. It is play consistency of the most promising Indian cricketer at domestic level. Okay, and the last one is the most famous competition in India is Indian Premier League is IPL. Okay, so IPL is the latest and one of the major revolution in Indian cricket. The BCCI runs the 2020 format tournament in India. This tournament was started in 2008 after the first T20 World Cup in which India was the champion. It proves opportunity for young talent to play and learn with the top most international players of the world. Okay, so this is the cricket competition. Our next game is world most famous game is football. Okay, so in football there is a many type of competition will be held or organizing through federations or organizing committees or organizations through. Okay, so there is a first competition is FIFA Cup. Okay, so this cup is organized Federation International Football Association. Okay, it is was established on May 21, 1904. Okay, so next is Durand Cup. It is the first tournament of football in India. This cup was started in 1888. Okay, so this is also the oldest tournament in India. Okay, class. Okay, so next is DCM football tournament. This tournament was started in 1945 for the DCM trophy. Okay, then next is Federation Cup. The Federation Cup started in 1977. Then next is Subrata Cup. So Subrata Cup is a inter-school tournament or inter-school competition. Okay. Then next is Begum Hazrat Mahal Cup. Okay. It is a national level tournament of football for women. Okay. So Begum Hazrat Mahal Cup is football tournament for women. Okay. Then next is Rajiv Gandhi World Cup. It is a national level tournament of football for the boys below 21 years. So it is a under 21 level national tournament. Okay, so next is Santosh Trophy. It is a national level football tournament in India. Okay, so Santosh Trophy is also a senior know about the senior national tournament. Okay, and next is Olympic Games. The football was included in Olympic Games in 1908. Since then, football competition has become a part of this game. Okay, class. So this is the football competitions. Our next game is hockey. Okay, so you know hockey is a national sports in India. Okay, so in hockey there is a many type of competition are playing or organizing. So first is Aga Khan Cup. Okay, so basically this tournament will held in Mumbai. Okay, the next is Victon Cup. This tournament is held in Kolkata. It was started in 1895 in Kolkata. Then second is Lady Ratan Tata Trophy. So Lady Ratan Tata Trophy is national level tournament of hockey for women. Okay. Then next is Rangaswamy Cup. It is a national hockey championship of India. It was started in 1928. The next competition is Championship Trophy. It is international tournament of hockey for men and women. In this tournament, only best 6 teams can participate. For starting this tournament, the credit goes to Pakistan. The first Champions Trophy was held in Lahore in 1978. Okay. Then next competition is Bombay Gold Cup. Okay, so Bombay Gold Cup is a national level tournament of hockey. The next competition is World Cup. The World Cup for men was started in 1971 and for women was started in 1974. Okay. Then next competition is Asian Hockey Federation Cup. Okay. So Asian Hockey Federation Cup is international tournament of hockey for girls under 18 years of age. Okay, class. So this is the all competition of hockey tournaments. Okay. So class, our next game is tennis. Okay. So basically the tennis was playing through all countries, mostly all countries will be played the tennis games. Okay, so in tennis there is a types of competition is first is all England championship. Okay, so this championship is a popular known as the Wimbledon championship. It was started in 1877 for men's and in 1884 for women's. Okay, the next is Australian Open. So this tournament is held in Australia for men's and women. The next tournament is a competition Olympic Tennis Championship. So this championship was started in 1988 in Seoul Olympic. The last one is Davis Cup. Okay, so this cup was organized first time in 19 for men. Okay, and also the many types of competition are doing or playing in tennis. There is some example. So National Lawn Tennis Championship, All India Inter-University Tennis Championship, National Grass Group Champions of Tennis, Nehru Cup Tennis, Indian Federation Cup, Talent Series, Championship Series, National Series, All England Championship, US Open, Australian Open, Federation Cup Open, Davis Cup, Olympic Tennis. There are many types of competition are going in tennis. So class, okay. Our next game is volleyball. Okay, so in volleyball the types of competition are first is National Volleyball Championship, second is National School Game, third is Purnima Trophy, fourth is Olympic Volleyball Championship, fifth is World Cup Championship, and the sixth is Asian Games Volleyball Championship, and the seventh is Commonwealth Volleyball Championships. Okay, so these all competition are organizing through federation or these all tournaments are famous in volleyball games. Okay, so National Volleyball Championship, the first volleyball champions was held in Madras in 1952. So this championship is held every 4 years. So this organized by Volleyball Federation of India. Okay, then next is National School Games. Okay, so this champion is held every year as a part of National Schools Game. Then next is Purnima Trophy. It is a national volleyball champions for women. Then next is Olympic Volleyball Championship. Volleyball was included in Olympic game in 1964, which were held in Tokyo. Since then, this championship is held in Olympic Games. Then next is World Cup. Okay, World Cup Championship. So the first World Cup of volleyball was held in 1949 in Prague. Okay. Then next is Asian Game Volleyball Championship. This championship is held in Asian Games. It was included in Asian Games in 1958 Tokyo. India won a bronze medal in volleyball in these games. Okay. So the last is Commonwealth Volleyball Championship. The first Commonwealth Volleyball Championship was held in 1981 in England. India won a bronze medal in this championship in 1981. Okay, so this is the all competition of volleyball. Okay, class. So class, the next game is swimming. Okay, so in swimming the competition of types of competition is Olympic Swimming Championship. So the Olympic Swimming Championship is held after every 4 years. The championship for men was started in 1896 in Athens Olympic, and Olympic Swimming Championship for women was included in Olympic Games in 1912. 1912. Okay. So next competition is Asian Games Swimming Championship. This championship is also held after every 4 years for men's and women. Swimming was introduced in this game 1951, which were held in New Delhi. Okay. So next competition is World Cup Swimming Championship. This championship is also organized for men's and women. The first World Cup of Swimming Championship was held in 1973. The last one competition in swimming is National Swimming Championship. So National Swimming Championship for men's and women was started in 1994. 1944. The first National Swimming Championship was held in Bombay, Mumbai. This championship is not being organized at regular interval. Okay. So class, this is the all competition in swimming. Okay. So class, our next point is Khelo India program. Okay. So basically, Khelo India program is a program to developing in India sports culture and the fitness level of all peoples in India. Okay, it's related to basically fitness or to developing the culture of sports in India. Okay, so it is a hard fact that the significance of sports and fitness is one life. Life is individual. The regular practice of sports and game included team spirits, develop strategies and analytic thinking, leadership skill, goals setting, and risk taking. Okay, so the important of sports and fitness in one's life in Europe, planning sports, including team spirits, develop strategies, and analytic thinking, leadership skills, goals setting, and risk taking. A fit and healthy individual leads to a equality society and strong nation. So sports is extremely important components for the overall development of our nation. Uh, in in India, the last 5 years has made studies progress in the field of sports. So this tremendous potential need to be showcases at a global platform. It's time we impress young talent, give them top notch infrastructure and training of the highest level. We need to including a strong spirit of participation in sports that enable players to demonstrate their true potential. Only then can India realize its dream of becoming a sports superpower. The Khelo India program has been introduced to receive a sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish in India as a great sporting nation. Okay, so this is the real purpose to organizing and conducting the Khelo India program. Okay, so basically the Khelo India program to receive sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building a strong framework for all sports play in our country and establish India as a great sports nation. Okay, so basically this is the reason why Indian government making a program, Khelo India program. Okay, so there is some Khelo India program objectives. Okay, so basically the objectives are Khelo India program is the first is play field development, second is community coaching development, third is state level Khelo India centers, and fourth objective is annual sports competition, Fifth is talent search and development program. And sixth is utilization and creation upgradation of sports infrastructures. Then seven, sports support to national religion state sports academies. Then eighth is physical fitness of schools, children. Ninth is sports for humans. Tenth, promotion of sports amongst people with disabilities. And the 11th is sports for peace and development. Okay, so these are the all objectives of Khelo India programs. Okay, class. So, class, I hope you all understand about the today topic, the all games competition, all the related to competition, why what is the international level competition and what is the national level competition in all types of games. Okay, so there is just all the various competition in various sports at a national level and international levels. Okay, class. So, class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you.